Very good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I am CS Sudhir. Mr. Vinay has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says, I'm planning to avail loan against property. How do I choose the best one? And what are the things to be looked into? In fact, many people, they just don't pay attention while availing loan against property because they just think, okay, if I'm getting loan, it's good because they will have commitments. Remember, you're pledging your property. You're basically mortgaging your property to avail loan against property. So which means what happens tomorrow if you don't pay back, your property will go away. So I want you to choose the right loan. So remember one thing, whenever you are availing loan against property, try and have a long tenured loan. Because sometimes what happens, banks would convince you to have a 3-year tenure, 2-year tenure. In case if you're availing a bigger amount of loan, you may not be able to pay back immediately. So try and have a longer tenure, maybe 7-year, 9-year, 10 years. Try and have as long as possible. That's number one. Number two, though you have a longer tenure, though you have a smaller EMI, whenever you have extra money, please prepay the loan. Don't just wait for the EMI to hit. If you have extra money, please prepay. It's good to reduce the interest burden. And the second important thing I want you to remember is you should ensure that you don't over leverage, which means your property value is 1 crore rupee and you take loan worth 80 lakh, which means you're borrowing too much. Do you really need that kind of money? Why do you need it? Ask yourself, can I reduce this amount? Good to take only as little as you need, because just because the property value is high, don't take too much. At the same time, I want you to compare various partners available, the banks available based on various parameters. Number one is you should check their processing fee. If the processing fee is too high, then don't go with that bank. Negotiate with them for a lesser processing fee, because if the processing fee is too much, what happens? You will end up with paying 1-2% of your loan amount directly to the bank. Second, interest rate, because interest rate varies from banks to bank. It varies from 7.5%, goes up to 11, 12, 13, 15% also. Be very cautious about it. You should go with a bank where the processing fee is too less and the interest rate is also low. The third option is prepayment option. Some banks, though they give you longer tenure, they may not allow you to put the prepayment option, which means if you want to prepay the loan, you want to put some extra money in between, they'll ask you to pay charges on that. There should not be any charges. I want you to check this. And the fourth one, of course, you have to compare the tenure. The one which gives you longer tenure is good for you. At the same time, the limit. What is the amount? Which means if the property value is 1 crore, whether they'll give you a loan of 70 lakh, 80 lakh or 90 lakh, how much they will give you. Because in case if you need more loan, it's good to go with the bank which gives you a maximum amount. At the same time, check whether they have a top-up option. In case if you need more money, let's say now my property value is 1 crore rupee. And it is verified and they have investigated, they have valued the property. So now I only need 10 lakh rupee loan, I'll take it. But tomorrow if I go back and tell them after a month or few months, now I need 10 lakh more, will they give you? What are the conditions and what is the process that time? Because if the process is too much, when I really want to take top up on that, then it will not work. So I want you to consider these aspects. These are very, very important things. This is why on Financial Freedom app we have designed a detailed course on loan against property. Not just on loan against property, we have a course on home loan, we have a course on personal loan, education loan, business loan, credit card, and we have courses across all subjects related to money. Apart from that, we have courses on career, business, farming, and all these courses are developed by experts. Like course on beekeeping is designed by farmers who earn upwards of 1 crore rupee just by selling honey every year. A course on veg restaurant is being designed by those business people, those restaurateurs who earn upwards of 1 crore rupee annually just by running the veg restaurant. So I want you to download Financial Freedom app, watch all these courses, and these courses will help you build your life. And not just that, for Republic TV viewers, we have an interesting offer. If you enter the referral code Freedom Show as you see on the screen, you will get rupees 2,000 with scholarship to get these courses, to watch these courses. So please use this facility and get rupees 2,000 scholarship by entering referral code Freedom Show. And also, if you have any questions related to any of these topics, you can post your questions in the Financial Freedom app. I will answer your questions in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.